Hi guys! It's been a month since I've been using my Google Pixel 3a, so I thought that now is a good time for a review. I've been using this phone every single day for the past month, and I thought that it's about time for me to make a review about it. And it has cons and pros, and we're gonna start talking about the pros. This phone is the fact that it has the back made from plastic. For me, this is a plus, and I'm gonna tell you right now why this is a plus and not a con. Is the fact that I got rid of the feeling of, oh my god, I will drop it and what will happen. Honestly, I'm more relaxed because if I will drop my phone, this will never happen to it. Because we're talking about the back part, let's talk about the fingerprint slot, which is very, very handy and it works perfectly. It's very, very intuitive and it works fast. So another plus for this. I found out a super duper interesting thing and I'm gonna show it to you. Now you see it doesn't have any buttons here on the side except for the ones in the upper part. But if you're gonna squeeze it here, the Google Assistant pops up. I was so surprised. I'm very, very happy with that. You can ask anything and you will receive your answer. And I thought that I know the answer of everything, but another big plus of this phone, I would say, is the camera. I'm not a professional photographer and I'm only using it for daily use, like, you know, selfies. Or maybe taking photos of my son playing in the park, or if I found a really cute flower. So for that, I found that it's perfect. It has great colors and I feel very good about it. I read some reviews and there are some people who are not very happy with the saturation of the camera, but that's not my case. For me, this works perfect. The battery life of this phone is amazing. Now, if it's fully charged in the morning when I leave for work, I am listening to some music, then I'm using my phone to, you know, to be on my Instagram or to watch one or maybe two YouTube videos. I'm sending a couple of emails, taking photos, let's not forget about that. And then I'm gonna listen to more music on the way back home. And by the time I get home, it still has, I don't know, around 50% of battery, which is amazing. I don't wanna have to rush and plug my phone in because it's gonna die. No way, I can still use my phone because it has plenty of juice. Because we're talking about battery life, let's talk about how fast this phone will charge. I've noticed that if I will plug it in while it has around 12% battery, it takes around an hour and a half to be fully charged, which in my opinion, it's fast charging. And this is a big plus for Google Pixel 3a. The navigation is very, very easy between the apps in the back that I keep using it and I have them handy, or to have the main screen right here and you can choose any app and it will just open super fast. It doesn't take forever. Another big plus for me is that Google Pixel 3a offers you the 3.5mm jack for your headphones. Now, I do have wireless headphones, but it happened that they just died. I didn't have enough battery on them, but I had in my backpack my old earpods and I just plugged them in and I was still able to, you know, listen to music and use my phone with my headphones until I got home and I charged my my headphones, my wireless headphones. So in my opinion, big plus for that. Now let's talk about the cons of Google Pixel 3a. I'm gonna start by telling you that Google Pixel 3a doesn't offer the wireless charging feature, and in the beginning I thought this is not In the beginning, I thought that this is not such a big deal because I can live without my phone having the wireless charging feature because I have the charger right here, so it's not going to be a big deal. But It happened once that I forgot my charger home and my phone almost died because it didn't have enough battery. So every single store that I went in and they were offering free phone charging in their store, they were offering the wireless charging, and my phone wasn't compatible with that. So I'm gonna put this as a con. When I have my phone plugged in, this charger, the cable is so freaking short that I have to, if I want to make a call, I have to say something like that towards the outlet and be like, hello. It can be very inconvenient, and I would have loved for the cable to be slightly longer. Another thing that really bothers me is the fact that I have to take the brick with me as well as the cable. I can't just take the cable and use any other brick that I find at work because of the Type-C at the both ends of the cable. Because of the same reason, I had to buy a different cable just to be able to charge my phone in the car if I am in the car. So it's a little bit inconvenient for me. Another thing that really bothers me about the Type-C charging at the both ends of the charging cable is the fact that I can't use my external battery to charge my phone in case that I need it, because my battery has the regular USB slot, and that will not work with the Type-C. Google Pixel 3a is not waterproof, and for some people this might be considered a con, but in my opinion it's not such a big deal. I will not consider it a con. All I have to do is be more careful when it's raining outside and just put my phone where the water won't reach it. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. I am very happy with my phone, and I'm gonna still continue to use it. It's very light, it's very cute, and I feel like it's worth every penny. Okay guys, that was my review for Google Pixel 3a. I really hope that you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next time. Kisses.